So oxygen is liberating. You know, in the photosynthesis, oxygen liberates. Along with that, water also liberates. So in the photosynthesis, glucose is a primary product, whereas oxygen and water is a byproduct. What do you mean by byproduct, children? So when you go to a market and you drink the sugarcane juice, after that you can find the person pulp it out. The left behind one is called pulp. Is any use of pulp is there? Yes, pulp is useful for preparing of paper, some other things. In the same manner, the photosynthesis also produce byproducts which is essential for life, that is oxygen. So again I want to define perfectly. Listen to children, listen to me children. Photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction where simple inorganic substances like carbon dioxide, water are converted into glucose in the presence of light and chlorophyll, where oxygen and water liberate as byproducts. So once again, how can we write the equation? This is what chemical equation, isn't it? So by writing the chemical equation, along with that we have to define it. By that, at a time we can learn the definition and the equation. So again, photosynthesis is a photochemical reaction where simple inorganic substances or carbon dioxide and water are converted into complex organic molecule where light and in the presence of light and chlorophyll, where oxygen and water liberates as byproducts. This is the definition. What I did, children? While defining, I wrote the, what I would say, equation. Now I want to pose one question to you. Is this chemical equation is balanced or not? Observe whether this chemical equation is balanced or not. So if you see here, one carbon is present, children, but here 6 carbons are present. If you see here 3 oxygens, 2 oxygen, 1 oxygen, here number of oxygens are present. If you see water, H2 only 2 is present, here 12 and 2 14 is. So by seeing the numbers in the equation, we can say that it is not a balanced equation. Then who proposed the balanced equation? The first person to propose the balanced equation for photosynthesis, balanced chemical equation for photosynthesis is C.B. von Neil. Which children? This half mark or 1 mark bit. C.B. von Neil in the year of 1931, what he said? He said that for the production of 1 molecule of glucose, 1 molecule of oxygen, 1 molecule of water is needed. Means by this we have to estimate the reactants. What is the quantity? So he just wrote like this: CO2 plus H2O. And he also find that how the oxygen liberate from these 2 molecules. Oxygen is common in water and carbon dioxide. From which molecule the oxygen liberate out? These 2 points we will discuss and we will conclude this topic now. So now, how to balance this chemical equation? So 6 carbons means here we can write C6, 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O plus, gives rise to C6 H12O6 plus 6 O2 plus 6 H2O. Now it is balanced, children. So 6 carbons here, 6 carbons here. 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 12, 24 oxygens. Here 6 oxygens, 12, 6 oxygens. So everything is balanced. It is called balanced equation. Everyone should practice this balanced equation. So to produce 6 oxygen molecules, how many water molecules are required, children? Double. means 12. To produce one oxygen molecule, how many water molecules has to produce, children? So the same manner he has written CO2 H2O plus. So like this CB1 will propose the balanced equation. Now he also did another important thing, whether the oxygen is evolving from oxygen or what. So both have oxygen. For this he tried, instead of water he used hydrogen sulfate, so which is smelled like a spoiled egg. So when he used H2S to prepare photosynthesis, instead of getting oxygen he get elemental sulfur. So by this experiments, the another great scientist, his name is called Robert Hill. He proposed photolysis. What, children? Photolysis, and finalized that the oxygen evolved from water molecule but not from carbon dioxide. So by using what? So by using oxygen molecules, C6, oxygen 8, oxygen 1, 8 and 16 we can write atomic number. And another oxygen you can say isomers, 18. So by using radioactive oxygens, he utilized here. He used in water radioactive elements, and here he utilized radioactive elements. But when the oxygen is evolved out, it is 18. 8 to the 16, but 18 is coming out. So atomic number is same, but the content weight is different. So by that he simply using radioactive oxygen and finalized that the oxygen evolved from water but not from carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide utilized for fixing of glucose. So we'll discuss in detail about in mechanism of photosynthesis. Thank you.